Hi guys, welcome back to Get Gorgeous. So today I'm here with an interesting video for all you guys. I don't know if you guys have seen this on internet, but I did come across when I was browsing YouTube. I came across this YouTuber's video where she's trying out a new way to apply a foundation. So basically what we do is we do the whole process reverse for applying a base. So all your cream products like the contour, the highlight, the blush, the corrector would go on first before we put on our foundation. So it's basically beneath our foundation. So yes, when I saw this video, it looked really interesting and it sounded really interesting. So I was like, let me just try this out, and I couldn't wait. So I was like, why not just try in front of you guys to show you guys how much of a difference does it make. It is supposedly going to give you a very natural looking base rather than a very cake face or something like that, or making your contour and blush and all very prominent. It's going to make it look very natural and very subtle, so yes, I'm very eager to try this out. So if you are interested to know how this works out and how to go about the whole thing, then please keep on watching. I've just cleansed my face. I have not moisturized it, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to just first put on some toner, and actually, you know what, I'll just do that off camera to just save on time and not bore you guys. Alright, so I am back. I've done all my skin prep and my skin is ready for foundation. So let's get started. I'm just going to put some primer, which I haven't. So this is the PAC Zero Pore Separation Primer Cream, and I'm going to just apply that. So I've been loving this this primer lately. I really like it. It really blurs out your skin and makes it even toned, like even surfaced, if that makes sense. And makes it ready for your foundation application and makes it really smooth and easy. So I really like this. Okay, and yeah, also a little bit on my chin. So I'm going to take in a mixture of these two concealers, okay, both from LA Girl Pro, and this is the orange and this is the yellow one. So it's just like it's going to avoid an extra step. I'm just going to instead of doing orange and then yellow, I'm just going to mix both of them, so saving time. So very tiny bit, like mainly here in the inner corners where I feel I have most of the darkness. Let me grab a mirror. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just going to do that. I'm also going to apply a little bit on my eyelids, since they are also very pigmented. Okay, a little bit on the pigmentation here and maybe here. Very lightly. I'm going to also apply it around my nose area, like where I have little darkness, even over my lips and under my lips. I'm going to take my PAC sponge. I've just dampened it. Okay, I'm going to start blending it. So let me just first blend under my eyes. Once that is all nice and blended, much better, right? Like way better. Okay, so then I think I'm going to go in with some concealer, or I think I'm going to let that sit for a while. Let's just go with some contour, highlight and blush, and then we can do the concealing and then the foundation. Okay, SEPHORA Highlight Low Light Contour Stick in the shade Tan, and I'm going to use the contour side of it. I absolutely love this product. It is so creamy and easy to blend, and also the shade is like just apt, superb. Like I really like it for my contour. So I'm just going to apply that on the usual areas where I would normally apply contour. So here, a little bit here, a bit on the forehead, here. Wait, am I supposed to do the nose contour as well? I'm not sure. I think yes, let's just do it. So here and a bit here and a bit here. Okay, I would also contour my jawline a bit. So this is usually where I would contour. That is the reason I've done this. And I'm going to just blend that out. So it really looks weird right now, but let's just see. So I think I'm done with my contouring right now, and then I want to just do a little bit of highlight. Actually, I would do some blush first, and then I think I would do the highlight. So let me just do some blush. So for blush, I don't want it to be very pinky, very peachy. I want something in between. So that's the reason I'm going to mix these two from NYX. Okay, these are, the one is in the berry tea and this one is in coral slice. Yeah, so I'm just going to mix both of them on the back of my hand. There we have it. Two of the shades, and I'm just going to mix it. So this is supposedly supposed to give you like a very natural looking base rather than, you know, a very caked up or a very made up face. So let's see how natural does it look. Now this is not giving me that much of a pigment, so I think I'm going to straight away go in with the applicator on my cheeks. Okay, so that is all blended. I guess it is a little extra, but I don't know. I think I'm going to stick to that because I feel it's just going to, you know, the foundation is just going to take all of that off. So I don't know. I think I'm okay with it so far. So now I'm going to just use the highlighter. So for that I'm going to use the liquid highlighter, A Wavy Glow from NYX. Okay, this is in the shade Daytime Halo. So I'm going to apply it on the usual areas where I would normally highlight. So this part right here, okay, and the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead. Okay, I'm going to blend it as and when I apply, because this is a little gets little settles really quick. So you know, you don't want to waste a lot of time. Once you've applied, you just want to blend it. I really like to, you know, double it up, so I'm going to apply a little more. That's me. I love it. I love glowing skin. So yeah. Okay, so now once that is done, I think I want to apply my concealer, or I think I would just go in with foundation first and then concealer. Now in her video she used the MAC Face and Body. Okay, I do have that, but I feel this foundation is very, it's a water-based foundation, it's a very light. So of course, since we are going for something which is very natural looking and you know, your skin's still peeping through, so this would be a good option. But I also wanted to try this trick with a little, you know, heavier foundation. So I think I'm going to use, one side I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me, and the other side I'm going to use the MAC Face and Body like she used. So I think I'm going to use my Face and Body here and my MAC here, okay? And I'm going to start applying with the sponge. Okay, so let's just dab the foundation. Why do I feel this isn't going to work? Okay, I almost see my blush is gone, the contour is gone, and the highlight is of course still there, because of course this foundation is dewy, like it is really shiny, and you know, it's not matte. And I don't know, maybe I didn't apply it correctly, or I don't know what is the problem with it, but I just feel it is taken away the blush, it has taken away the contour, and of course the highlight is still being visible. But let's see the other side. And you know what, I think I'm going to try with a brush. So as you would see, I'm just dabbing the foundation right now. I'm not just, you know, rubbing it or doing any kind of a circular motion. I'm just dabbing and pushing the foundation onto the skin, just so that I don't move the product, like the base, the contour and other products much, so that, you know, we can get the max result out of this. I don't know guys, I don't know, I think it is just not working for me. I do see the contour here a bit, like on my forehead, but the blush is absolutely gone. And though I did apply a good amount of blush, but it is absolutely gone. Or I don't know, I mean, it is there but very, very light. So is it supposed to be like that? Because for her it was not like that. I don't know, was I supposed to go really heavy with it? Now see, you can see the contour still, you know, peeping through my temples right there, and it is also seen here a bit, but not that much. So I don't know, I think like I think no, it is just not working for me. And both the sides, I think this is just making it worse. Like the face and body is just making it way worse than this one. This is still better because it's giving at least a bit of coverage. And yeah, though you can see a little more of the blush and contour on this side, since face and body is very thin and very light. This is hiding it quite a lot. But again, I think I would really want to go in with the powder and a powder blush, powder contour and all of that. So this actually makes the job more difficult for me. So I think I'm going to pass this technique. I don't know, maybe I've not done it right, guys. You can totally check by yourself and see if it works for you. So I'm going to just put on the same foundation on the other side. Okay, I'm using the same brush and I'm going to just finish off my base, and I would be back. Right guys, so I am back. I did my makeup off camera. Of course, I had to put the blush, the contour, highlight all over again. So as far as this technique is concerned, I think I would give it a pass. I am not that happy with the output of it. Maybe I did not do it correctly, maybe I did, I'm not sure. But for me, if I have to do contour, highlight, blush all over again, like twice, before foundation, after foundation, I might as well just do it after foundation. So yes, I would totally give it a pass. But again, I would not say that it just didn't work for me. It might work for you, so you can give it a try. I would leave the original video down there in the description box below, so do check that out. If you guys happen to try this technique, and if you happen to get success, or I would say if you happen to have a different opinion on it, do let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I may have done something wrong and you can guide me on that. So I would love to hear from you guys. And yes, until then, oh, by the way, I do have a video coming up on this eye look. Either it's already up on my channel, or I would put it after this video. So do check that out. And for that, you will have to subscribe to my channel so that you get notified each time I upload. And don't forget to put on the switch on the bell icon. It will mean the world to me. So yes, that is as far as this video is concerned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, stay happy and stay, yes, super gorgeous. Bye.